you how to make this delicious, fresh and yummy broccoli pomegranate salad that brings lots of vitamins into your body. And I'm so sure if you make it once, you're gonna make it again and again. Let's go for it.
All the ingredients you need is walnuts, onion, a pomegranate, a whole green and fresh broccoli, and all you need for the covering sauce is lemon, mayonnaise, yogurt, salt, black pepper, and honey. If you're dieting, skip the mayonnaise.
Finally, time to serve it. I'm so excited. First, we're gonna mix it.
Wow, look at these colors. The dressing is perfect. It's lightly sweet from the honey, and I love a little crunch from the walnuts.
I hope you enjoy this fresh and yummy salad. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and ring the bell to get notification about new videos and new recipes.